morning.
All right, guess where we are today? We're back at Hollywood Studios for the launch of Star Wars Galaxy.
Galaxy's Edge, Dad.
Galaxy Edge.
Galaxy's Edge. Get with the lingo.
I know.
So today is the first day that it's open, and we're a little late to the game.
Day one.
The park actually opened at 6 a.m. and I think the parking lot opened at like 4 a.m.
Yeah.
Buses started at 3 a.m. So this is kind of a big deal. But we're a little late to the game. It's like 10:30, so you get like a boarding number.
Yeah, we're 127. They'll call our boarding number on our app, and then we can go through the park. I think there's like a 4-hour wait right now for the Smuggler's Run there with the Millennium Falcon. So we'll see how that goes. But we want to walk through and check everything out and bring you along with us. So let's go.
So I'm gonna take you through. Let's go, and you don't have to wait in line.
No, you don't.
So here's the board that tells you when they're boarding. Their boarding group's 53 through 101, and I think we're like 149. So no idea how long that means, but we'll see.
Sitting here waiting for our food, and it's time to go to Galaxy Edge. We got our alert.
Got it.
So now all we gotta do next is hold hands and walk in.
You gotta get
So this is our traveler's guide. We got on the way traveling to the park, and we're gonna try to see what we can hit on it. They got a lot of different things. We have the food and beverage market. They have a popcorn stand for the children. So what else they have on this traveler's guide is got a lovely little map of your locations. Some of it's open, some of it's not. I don't know. We're gonna find out, but we're gonna see here. Do you want to get the prices on it? Or you good? No. So we have a lot of different we have the market. We got outposts. We can go to a bunch of different stores. So it's gonna be fun. It looks like it's pretty big. We've never been to the opening of a park before, so I'm pretty excited about it. They also have a milk stand. Quench your thirst with a refreshing drink.
Is that the blue milk? The famous blue milk thing?
Maybe.
I read about that.
They got a milk stand. They have katsaka.
What?
Kettle corn.
I'm pretty sure that's not how you pronounce that. The kettle pop?
Yeah. Why?
Why?
Into Star Wars land, and we just bumped into somebody we saw on YouTube.
So Benson! Hey Benson! It's so cool to see people we see on YouTube in real life. All right, let's do it.
All right, let's go in.
Here we go.
Go ahead, guys.
Hi, friends.
Hello.
Hi. Wait a minute, we gotta check in.
Lots of kids.
Whoops.
You're good. Have fun.
Thank you. All right. It's official. We're in. All right. It's official. Here we go. What are we going to find?
What do you think, babe?
What do you see so far?
It's like a rock. Got a rock in a tunnel.
Nothing much.
Rock in a hard place.
Where are we going, babe? Let's see. All right.
All right. Let's see.
The line for some ride over here. Oh, look at the trash buckets. Are cool, huh?
Got fans. Nice big fan. Oh, that feels nice. Star Wars fan, Mom.
Daddy.
What?
A Star Wars fan? Are you funny?
Yeah.
All right, so we got Star Wars sprayers. Oh, all right.
Tracking synced. Resume patrols in all sectors.
All right, so we're gonna follow this to the market. See what's over here.
Boys. Yeah. Going into the market here.
The market, like, actually buy stuff?
A market that Star Wars, but also you can buy food probably. Market
What should we buy in the market?
I don't know. Let's go see.
There's a lot of people. No idea. These are creepy looking things. Whoa, what's in the cage? What's that, Carter? What's in there? Something furry. I don't know what it is. What is it? Oh. Look at, he's sleeping and he's got a happy tail. What do we got? What do you got, Jack? Jack, what do you have? Oh, what's that? What is it?
Ready?
I think we're gonna head to our fast pass at Star Tours.
Yeah. Alright, what are these? What is this thing? It's like a... He makes some kind of noise. Ah, he's like a squeeze toy. Alright. And then this thing up here, like he gets angry and turns into that. Boys, did you find anything good? Mommy! Mom, look it!
I think that's a snowman.
What? What do you got? Back up a little so I can see him. Oh, he's cute! Alright, I like it. I like it.
Look at that mom. It's a snail mom.
What's this? Oh, I like him. Look at him. He's cute with his blue eyes. A little snail. Hi, buddy. Graham, what do you think of the snail? You like that guy? Not so scary? Whoa, creepy. What's that thing? What's it called? Let's see. This is... I don't know. Green pricknail spider. I don't know. See what he does. Oh, wait. So that nose sticks onto something. Max, what you got there? Oh, boy. One of the other stores they have. Oh, look. Sell the full Jedi gear. Oh, this is like a clothing shop. Look at this. You can buy like legit stuff.
Are you sure? This one's gonna be bigger. You came across it like they like really thick.
Okay. And then
This is clothing, babes. Check out the store, dude.
So, we almost had our first Jedi standoff. Two moms almost throwing down over their children.
It was probably
I was
my...
gonna get you a lightsaber.
It was probably my fault. No, I thought she was rolling her eyes at me. There's no room in here. There's a million people.
No, it's okay. She was part of the Emperor and she thought we were spies for the Resistance.
But on a happy note. How cute is that though, for real? Show them all.
Look at that, that's an Ewok.
That's an Ewok. I know what that is. And I know what this is.
Chewbacca! What a Wookiee! Remember that song? Chewbacca, what a Wookiee? That's...
Princess Leia?
No, that's like
the new
Anakin's
girl?
mom.
Wait, what's her name?
No, that's like the mother.
Ray.
Ray. Oh, no.
No, Ray.
Wait,
What's her
Ray?
name?
Ray looks like she aged.
Ray.
That's Ray.
I don't know. And then... Wait, what's this? Stormtrooper. You know what that is.
Oh, yeah. It's pretty cool in here. Look around. Look at all this stuff. Look at that. When I was a kid, I would have liked to have that in my bedroom. Just like, huh? Oh, wow. It's a Stormtrooper? Look at... Hey, ready, Stormtrooper? We're gonna go to the YMCA. Oh, okay, hold on. We gotta put that one down. That one's defective. What? That one doesn't work. That's Boba Fett, Darth Vader. Look at this Darth Vader's like, hey! Look at it. Got the board game there, Joe.
What's that?
It's a board game from one of the movies. Got the puzzle here, maze. What's that? A music box.
What's in it? It has done.
Wow. Chance cubes. Pretty cool stuff. We got some drums. This is pretty awesome. Alright, we're inside. Temperatures are high. Temperatures high. Look at though, it's good. It actually feels like we're in the actual market. People are aggressive. People are nice. I don't know who's part of the Empire and who's a rebel spy. Ooh. In fact, we could do that. We could do like the, remember the chanting monks? Amen.
Come over here. Come here. Can you come here?
What?
I want a video with this. Hurry up. Just put your hand in.
I got a backpack on. I look like the hunchback.
How
Gotta
much
take
is
them.
Is it worth it?
I don't know. Is it worth it?
Let's see, babe. Put the hood on. Is it a good look for you? No, not a good look. How's that hood supposed to
No,
go?
what's that? Remember the band called Chant? Remember the Enigma? Remember Enigma?
Oh, yeah. All right. What do you think? Should Dad get that? Woo! It looks very like. And all right, hold on, wait a minute. Dad, it's $124.99. So
That's it?
$125.
Could you see me at Stop and Shops or Public in this?
Yeah, yeah.
This is nice. I like it. What do you think?
Alright, they have this really cool popcorn, Max. Check this out. It's like sweet and spicy popcorn. Look, some kind of popcorn mix. What do you think of that, you guys?
Look at this.
It's like a colorful blend of sweet and sour popcorn.
Really? Sweet and sour?
Yeah.
Not the cheddar and chive.
No.
Behind us, they're roasting some creatures. It looks similar to a pig roast I did once on Cape Cod. They got some bigger reptilian things up there. So now we're walking up to the iconic Millennial Falcon, and we're gonna go check it out. It looks like it's supposed to be life-size, I believe. They used to have people taking like flying over with drones and taking pictures of it, but
Yeah.
it looks pretty cool.
What's this over here? Oh, that might be a restaurant. That's kind of cool. This looks like it. The Millennium Falcon everyone's waiting for. Big Millennium Falcon there. And wait time is 120 minutes.
Plan it to be here when they opened it up, but I'm glad we're here for it.
It's crazy. So
Kids
the
are-
lines, like, wild. too.
Kids
The
are
water
frying
looks
out
like,
a little bit
looks
there.
like all the lines outside, all here,
Yeah.
all around.
This is Doc Under's Den of Antiquities. It's a museum and a shop of relics from Jedi and Sith from all across the galaxy.
Oh, okay.
Really cool stuff to look at.
Cool. Thank you.
Yeah.
You want to go shop? Babe? And it's 45 minutes just to get in that store.
45 minutes to get in the store.
Just
Looks
to
like
get in the store. Because
looks
the
like the-
line to get into the store is pretty long. All the people waiting for the store. All right, baby.
Hi, sweetie.
You see those really cool sodas that they're waiting in line for?
I did. They're like little
Yeah,
pods.
neat. really cool soda bottle. Oh, look good. It's fun. Yay! Super cool. All right.
Just my regular clothes, like pack every day.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. That's pretty good.
Yeah, I come from a village an hour away called Pika.
Pika.
Yeah, so I'm always here wearing this.
Pika, that's what it is.
Oh my gosh.
I'm from Pika.
I would say they didn't think about that for July or August. It's crazy.
Look, I've been doing this my whole life here,
Yeah.
but too, I get used to it. This is just our first time. So polluted with hundred travelers, we don't know what to do.
Yeah,
So giving you as much water as we can, the rivers of Pika. Now, I shower in those rivers, but you know, that's gonna be a different story for a different time.
Nice.
I love it.
Hollow scanning me, or oh, that's a weird device.
Only one son.
If we had one son here, it would be so nice, but no, we got our three.
Nice.
That's fine.
Nice.
So luckily this cloud coverage and the rain should help.
Yep. Well, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for the water.
Yeah, so you guys staying hydrated too?
Trying to.
Okay.
Yeah, we're keeping it going, so.
Good.
We're all, thank you.
Yeah, you're
Let's see, Max. $50 worth every penny. Look how cool you look, dude. Woo! Carter, let me see. Don't go too far without paying for that mug. I like it, you guys. Joe, give me a thumbs up. All right, so they've got like, these are Legos. Those are pretty cool. And I think they build into like that. Ah.
It's obvious.
How are we doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good.
When will this be opening, this ride?
So this is gonna be, well, this isn't a ride. This is a, well, I question, are you for the resistance?
I'm with the resistance.
Okay, then I'll tell you.
Okay.
So it's a resistance base camp, and there's some rumblings, some murmurs, if you will, of them rising up around December 5th.
Okay, good.
Yes, so it's actually, they're gonna be their most intense mission yet. They're gonna be looking for hero kids. Yes.
Awesome. What do you think? Sounds
Are you
good?
ready for the challenge?
We're going to come back December 5th, I guess, huh?
He's ready.
Nice.
He's already cooling off for it.
Yeah,
You
right?
ready?
Come on, boy.
Thank you.
Yay! Thank you. So we just bumped into another vlogger. You want to talk about your channel?
Sure, my channel's all about Disney World, Universal, all the theme parks, all around Central Florida. Well, not just Central Florida. It's all in Spanish. It's called Pareja con Orejas. It means couple with ears. My wife and I run it, and we had a lot of fun doing it.
Awesome. Thank you. All right.
Thank you for having me.
Our video on Star Wars today.
All right, so we went through the whole Disney park for Star Wars. It was really cool inside. Super busy, super hot. But the kids had a great time. We weren't able to go on the ride because it was like a 3-hour wait. But we may try to sneak that in before the end of the trip. Tomorrow we got Avatar and a lot of other things we're going to be doing. So Jack's a little tired. We might go back to the hotel and do some swimming and relax for a little bit. It's still the early afternoon, so we'll probably head back out a little later on tonight. But wanted to come here and be here for opening morning and see how everything does. Yeah.
What's your YouTube channel?
Senna Family Life.
Alright, I'm gonna follow it.
All right, cool.
Lisa?
And we're all good, so. Yeah. That was funny, huh?
Right there. Go ahead.
Bye-bye.
Oh, post now, right? Family life. We're going to post later.
We got a lightsaber for Stitch. Show me. Show me how it works.
Just press the
Show me Stitch. Yeah, but show it with Mickey's got a lightsaber? Okay, you got one too?
Daddy!
Alright, let's go.
So you're going to get these two?
Yeah. You guys are lucky. You're getting lightsabers for your stuffed animals.
Can I see that?
That's the coolest.
Do you want me to give you a bag for that?
Yeah, that's fine. Do people usually buy lightsabers for their stuffed animals?
What was that?
Lightsabers for their stuffed animals?
I mean, it makes sense. You want them to be trained in the Force, too.
Yeah. Now we're officially leaving the park. We actually went through Star Wars, the old Star Wars land, and Star Tours had a 10-minute line, under 10 minutes to get on. So we hopped on that twice. A lot of fun. The shop was pretty cool. The kids picked out lightsabers for their Stitch dolls and Mickey Mouse. And now we're actually heading back to the hotel to go swimming for a little bit.